Did you know that mixing avocado and egg accelerates cell growth and reduces your belly? Did you know that when you mix sweet potato and cinnamon, you get rid of inflammation and boost your digestion? Did you know that mixing spinach and lemon boosts your blood formation and makes your immune system indestructible? Did you know that when you mix carrots and olive oil, you no longer have joint pain and your skin glows? Did you know that mixing walnuts and blueberries sharpens your memory and slows aging? Did you know that mixing chia seeds and coconut water flattens your stomach and floods your cells with hydration? Did you know that mixing beetroot and ginger detoxifies your liver and gives you unstoppable energy? Did you know that mixing honey and garlic kills harmful bacteria and strengthens your heart? Follow for more natural recipes.